I almost ignored Hitem3D, not because it looked bad, because every month there's another AI tool promising to create perfect 3D models with one click. Most of them look amazing in the demo, then you try them yourself, and reality is very different. So I spent a few hours testing Hitem3D before making this video. No sponsored access, no cherry-picked examples, just real prompts and real projects. The first thing I generated was a simple product model, then a game prop, then a stylized character. Honestly, my first reaction was, that's better than I expected. The shapes were clean, the details were recognizable, and most importantly, I didn't spend hours modeling from scratch. That's a huge win, but then I started pushing it harder. More complicated objects, organic shapes, detailed accessories. That's when I saw its limits. Some models came out surprisingly well, others needed cleanup before I would actually use them, and honestly, that's completely normal. Here's what nobody tells you. Hitem3D doesn't replace a 3D artist, it replaces the slow first draft. Think about how much time goes into blocking out a model before you even start refining it. That's the part this AI speeds up. And if you've ever worked in Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine, you know how valuable that can be. The second thing I noticed was that your input matters more than you think. A vague prompt gave me a vague model. A detailed prompt with materials, proportions, and style gave me dramatically better results. That wasn't luck. It was better direction. So, who is Hitem3D really for? Indie game developers, product designers, YouTubers creating 3D content, freelancers, agencies building quick prototypes, even startup founders who need visual concept before hiring a designer. For those people, it's a serious time saver. So, would I call Hitem3D the perfect AI 3D generator? No. But after testing it, I do think it's one of the more practical AI tools I've used recently. Not because it creates flawless models every time, but because it gets you from an idea to a usable 3D asset much faster than traditional workflows. And honestly, that's the reason I think Hitem3D is worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.